Hello everyone, welcome back to Vamsi Bhavani. Straight to the point, as you saw in the title, AI for software engineers, that's the topic. If you're interested, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. Being an engineer in AI is different. AI engineer roles and all are different. What I'm talking about is, as a software engineer, maybe as a web developer, Android developer, whatever it is, being a normal developer, how to use AI in that. That's the topic, okay? The thing is, whatever role you are in today, knowing how to use AI properly in it is important, okay? And when I say that, we are all chatting with Chat GPT, with Gemini. I'm not talking about that. In your role, in your work, if you use this specific AI, how you can increase productivity, you should think from that point of view, okay? And for that, firstly, what you need to do is, irrespective of whether you are going into the AI engineer role or not, you should know the basics of AI, okay? So basically, how this chat GPT or in general LLMs work, what are tokens, how an LLM predicts the answer to the question you asked, right? You should have an idea of how LLMs work in general. After that, whether it's Cursor or Cloud Code or Antigravity or Copilot, all these are automatically generating code, new code in your code. How do they work? I mean, if you look at it, just go to the documentation or read about it on the web. If you want, I can make a video. But they basically use some basic terminal commands like new file creation, updating, saving, giving permissions to it, chmod, all of that, all these are involved. Find out what they are. After that, as I just mentioned, these coding tools that are there, either Copilot or Cursor or Anti-Gravity, anything is fine. If you are already a working professional, use whichever of these three your company provides. No, if you're going to be a software engineer, if you are an aspiring software engineer, then I would prefer anti-gravity because it is free, right? Again, in some companies, even now, they look at AI as something, bad. So they are not letting their employees use these AI tools. And just remember that it is very temporary, okay? If your company is not letting you use AI tools today, it's very, very temporary. Very soon, they'll let you all use different AI tools. I mean, they might not let you use the AI tools you like. There'll be a separate, sort of POC on different tools, and they will choose one based on the security policies and all. But for sure, in the future, almost every IT company will allow their employees to use AI tools. So you should know it, right? Whatever tool it is, go ahead. If there's nothing, anti gravity is better because of the, yeah, since it's free, you're not investing your own money and, trying it. Now, what will you do in this? If you are a complete fresher and aspiring engineer, if you don't know how to write coding at a production level yet, just use the auto completion feature. I mean, don't go into the agent mode. Recently, in almost all of these coding tools, there are different modes like ask mode, agent mode, planning mode. Again, different tools name them differently, but on a high level, in some modes, you ask and it gives the answer. In some modes, you provide a requirement in a way and it will even write the code itself, right? These are different types of modes. So, in that mode, if you're still an aspiring engineer and haven't worked at a production level for at least 6 months, don't over depend on these AI tools. I'm specifically seeing many people in the industry. I will not name where or who, but what I definitely see is that if you get used to these tools early on in your career, and I have been reading threads on Reddit too, when people are reviewing the code of these people who are just using AI tools right from the start of their career, that code quality is like total rubbish. It's not good at all. And if you want to improve your code quality, you must write it yourself. So use the ask mode, or when you're writing code, if it's giving auto completion, clicking tab is still fine, but don't go completely into agent mode. Again, for test creation and all, you can still use agent mode, but write the core logic, your domain logic, whatever it is, on your own. But if you're already professionals, already working, if you're already, software engineers, feel free to use the agent modes also. Because of that, see, what I have observed is that the time to actually complete a task definitely reduces a lot. And because of that, your efficiency and productivity will also increase. Overall, it will help you. Now, in all of this, one thing that's really important is, see, it's been said many times, these AI tools, again, like Copilot or Cursor, all these are using LLMs in the backend, right? For these LLMs, they're very, very intelligent for sure. They have a lot of knowledge. Why? Because it's trained on very huge data, right? So it has knowledge. But no matter how great a genius is, if you don't tell them exactly what to do, they can't do it, right? Same is the case here. So for us as human engineers, the tendency is that many times we manually, by talking and talking, find out what the requirement of the task is, right? That's why many times if you see Jira tickets, the description won't be complete. There'll be a title and some surface level context. That's it. No detailed description, no detailed definition of done written. Again, it should be written, but no one writes it, right? So we, don't know how to completely describe a requirement in text as engineers. Again, PMs do it well, but we don't know it that well, right? But if you don't know that, no matter how much power these tools have, again, among all the models, I personally feel these Opus models, whatever they are great, literally super. So again, no matter how great a model it is, if you don't know how to state the requirement, it will be difficult. So whenever there's a new task, that task, let's say a new person joined your team, right? They know nothing. KT hasn't happened yet. They were just given code and a task along with it. For example, a very, very beginner level, meaning they have good experience outside but are new to your team, right? To such a person, how would you give them an induction about that task? How would you explain it? Explain it in the same way and look at the wonders. I'm literally telling you, from infra changes even to architectural changes, it's doing really well. So please use it. If your company doesn't allow it, try it out in your own personal projects and learn, because very soon your company will allow it or you will move to a company that does. So yeah, I personally feel that in AI for software engineers, these coding tools play a very important role, right? So please use them to their full potential, right? Also, if you want to learn all of this in a bit more depth, we have our AI agents course. Now that won't include cursor and all, but it covers how to use AI models to build other applications or agents. If you want to head down this path more towards the AI engineer path, the course is available, you can check it out. But even if you set that course aside, if you're just a software engineer or web developer, don't stop using these tools. Start using them today, right? Thank you very much. Jane, Jay Bharat.